In this video, we're going to be looking at estimating square roots. This is when you have a square root that doesn't come out evenly. For example, here we have square root of 15. If I plug that into a calculator, my calculator is going to show me square root of 15 equals 3.8729 ... keeps on going, keeps on going. How was I supposed to know that 3.8729 keep on going times 3.8729 keep on going equals 15? Well, I probably wouldn't know. So what we can do when we have these cases is estimate the values. You're going to have some problems that give you a question like this. Between what two integers does the square root fall? Let's refresh on this word integers here. Remember that integers means just a whole number, positive or negative. So we're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No fractions, no decimals, just whole numbers, positive or negative. So if we want to find two integers that this square root is between, we can go ahead and just estimate some values. Here, if we plugged into a calculator, we know it's 3.8, that's between 3 and 4. But since we're not using our calculators, let's see if we can figure that out on our own. I do know that 3 squared, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. I also know that 4 squared, 4 times 4, is equal to 16. Because 9 and 16 are just below and just above the square root of 15, I know that these are going to have to be the integers that this square root falls between. So my answers for this one would be 3 and 4. Let's try a couple more. Here I have square root of 110. Well, I know that 10 squared, 10 times 10 is equal to 100. 110 is just a little bit more, so let's try 11 squared. That is equal to 121. Because 110 is in between 100 and 121, I have my numbers, 10 and 11. So my answer would be 10 and 11. Looking up to this problem, I have the square root of 28. Let's go ahead and try 4 squared. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, moving on. What about 5 squared? 5 times 5 is 25. All right, so I've got 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25. Now 28 is not in between these. 28 is actually larger than 25. So it's not 4 and 5. I need to get bigger. Let's try 6 squared. 6 times 6 is 36. Now 28 does lie between 25 and 36. So I know that my numbers here are 5 and 6.